Welcome back to the channel, everybody. I hope y'all are having a fantastic day today. Night, evening, morning, whatever it is when y'all are watching this. We are here in... Oh, that's a dead mouse. What's up with the dead animals everywhere I'm going? Yeah, well, no mousey mouse. Or a mole, actually, is what it looks like. Looks like a mole. Yeah, it's a mole. Anywho, we are in Tulsa, Oklahoma, guys, and picking up a Landstar trailer that is an absolute antique. Everything works on it, that's good. But this is an old trailer. But it works. Why is this door open like this? It's all beat up. Jeez, guys. Probably beats these trailers up. It's freaking ridiculous. Anywho, we got our trailer. We are taking this bad boy all the way to Lowe's in Tobyhanna, Pennsylvania. So we got a nice almost 1,300 mile run. Gonna meet up with OT Rookie in St. Louis. I don't know if we'll do any video or anything, so this part might not even be in here. Anywho, we got just under 20,000 pounds on the trailer. I'm letting the system air up so I can slide the tandems, because when I pulled the button, it didn't do anything. There was no air in it. So letting it air up, letting everything get acclimated, and then I will set the brakes again and pull the pin, slide the tandems. That is the nice thing about these, is that you don't have to like fight to pull the bar out to slide the tandems, but you have to have air in the system, otherwise it won't release. Yep, there it goes. So the airbags are aired up now, which is good. Yeah, we're gonna get this thing situated and get on the road. Let's set the brakes and see if these pins release. Oh. All right. Like, I don't understand this. Like, one of the rules I learned with hazmat is you can't have a placard within 3 inches of another marking. Like, who does this? I don't understand it. And even this, like, you guys were putting them over. Oh, like, who does this? Who just doesn't care? I mess up a lot. Like, I make a lot of mistakes. I know that. But hazmat it's dangerous enough out here trucking with the, you know, the law dog after us all the time. And then you're gonna do some stuff like that. And it just kind of gets under my crawl, because I don't, it's irritating. Like, come on. The placards are supposed to be at a point no more than a minimum, so they got to be at least 3 inches away from any other marking on the trailer. That doesn't include another placard, so you can put placards next to each other, you know, almost touching, that's fine. But yeah, anyway, hey, the pin's released. This is good. All right, so we're gonna slide this bad boy up. Look at this. This is my favorite kind of stuff right here. It's not going anywhere. It's probably more secure than the factory setup, but good gosh, it's actually facing the wrong way. This should have been on this end, but whatever. It is what it is. Let's slide these tandems and get on the road, guys. hung out here all day yesterday at this Love's. We met up with OT Rookie. Shout out to him. If y'all don't follow him, go check him out on YouTube. Pretty solid dude right there. Hung out with him. I changed the oil on the truck with his help, and worked on his stacks, because he got some beautiful flat top 7-inch pipes on his truck now. Go check it out. It sounds amazing. I'll put a little clip in here of him heading down the road. But obviously I got to make sure this doesn't come out before his video, because I don't want to spoil it. But anywho, we are making breakfast, guys. So we got one of these Jimmy Dean breakfast, and then we're gonna get on the road. So I saved doing the oil change myself and the grease gun or grease in the truck and all that stuff. I saved about 250 bucks, which is really nice. So pretty sweet deal. Sam's Club has mobile Delvac oil. You get 4 gallons for like $56 after tax. So $169 and some change was the oil. Yeah, we just went to the dealership down the road and bought some filters. Yeah, not too bad. So I'm gonna eat breakfast and we're gonna get on the road. On the east side of Effingham, and I've passed, since I left the truck stop, oh man, 24 law enforcement sitting in the middle, multiple cars pulled over, just past 2 big trucks pulled over about a mile and a half ago. So we got another one sitting in the middle up here. One was a Dart big truck, and the other was a Landstar. They're out trying to make a little moolah today, that is for sure. Nothing says happy holidays like here's your fat ticket. There's no telling what they were doing though. Can't entirely blame the police. Every time. It's a state trooper. And he's on his way out. Or he's turning around something. Yeah, he's turning around. Going the other way. Huh. Well, gotta be careful out here. I mean, I know there's some people out here that are just downright disagreeable, but this dude hollers on the CB. I'm here at the Love's in Springfield, Ohio. I'm like, I'm gonna run in, use the restroom, you know, maybe pick up a couple sparkling waters or something like that. And this dude keys up on the CB like, anybody looking for a parking spot? I got one. I got a Primo one right here in front of the scale. I say, yeah, man, I'll take it. What? Let me back out of this, because I was in line for the fuel island. I'm gonna pull up to the pay line and you know, run in and get what I need, because all the parking's full. So I'm doing the only thing I know to do. And anywho, he's like, yeah, it's right here. And I tell him where I'm at. Told him I'm backing out of the fuel island, like trying to get situated so I can come to it. And I was like, where are you, next to the scale? Where are you at? Just by the way he was trying to explain it, didn't make any sense. But finally, he's like, no, I'm in front of the scale. Like, you would have to pull into the scale backwards and then back right into my spot. I was like, oh, okay, cool. I literally get turned around and I'm headed back this way to loop around. And he's like, oh, a box truck just took it. Bro, you said you'd wait. What do you mean a box truck took it? You said you were gonna wait on me, but that's cool. Whatever, I guess, if that's how it's gonna go, but whatever. I was like, I can park here, I got plenty of time, but we're gonna just move from this spot because this is taking way too long, and probably go over here to this one and pull forward. So yeah, I'll figure something out. We might stay here if another spot opens up, or I don't know. We'll see what happens. Apparently we got a accident up here doing something, so we gotta hit the right shoulder something, so we're gonna see if we can't navigate through it.
Little Ford gets me, come on in.
We're not too far away though, ladies and gentlemen. I got 96 more miles to go. Looks like somebody took off in the ditch right there. Man. Oh, jeez. Might have been him. I hope he's all right. Y'all be careful out there. Sheesh. Golly. It's got hazards on though, that's good. Looks like he's alright though. There's two drivers out there. That's good, as long as there's nobody in the bunk. Man, that's scary. It's gonna be a nasty backup. They're gonna shut it down, I'm sure, to get the truck out of the way, get it rolled back over, and it's gonna take a few hours. I'll just be careful out here, please. Respect the road, the weather, and your abilities. Once again, ladies, we have gotten, ladies and gentlemen, not just ladies, but ladies and gentlemen, we've gotten almost to our destination here, just a mile and a half out. I don't think I've ever been out here, to this DC at least. So far going through town and all that, it doesn't ring any bells, but I very well may have. I've come from a different way, I don't know. I need to get over. Oh, is it like all one lane now? Of course. Okay, that's cool. Whatever. I didn't see that coming. Airport. We're gonna turn left right up here. Yeah, I got in the turn lane a little early, but gives me time to really kind of figure out what is what. Oh. And nothing like snow on the ground, ladies and gentlemen. I don't know why I keep doing that. I'm sorry. Right. delivery entrance. That's where I want to go. Yeah, I don't think I've ever been out here. I'd like to do a round trip kind of dedicated something. Would be great for Lowe's, because there's a Lowe's in Nashville or an NFI. Oh, it'd be nice. All trucks turn right. Okay, that we shall do then. A little slippery on that ice right back there. All right, let's figure it out. Ooh. I don't know if it's ice or what, but I really don't want to play in it. Just gotta be careful. Let's check in with the guard and go from there. So, they're not gonna let me deliver until after midnight. You can't stay there and wait. You have to leave the property. There's nowhere around to park. The Walmart down the road, which they told me to go to. They're like, I mean, there's Walmart you can go to, or you can park on the side of the road. Y'all that know Landstar know we can't park on the side of the road. So that's out of the question. There's plenty of room there, but it's out of the question. Can't do it. So, I went to the Walmart and I went inside and I picked up a few things. I even asked. I know there were signs all over the place. Let's say you can't park here, they'll tow you, all that kind of stuff. And I was like, well, let me go in and ask. Like, even if I'm gonna get some groceries, let me find out. Manager's like, no, they'll tow you. Like, just pretty plain. Like, she wasn't rude, but she wasn't like overly friendly either. So yeah, there's no parking at the Tobyhanna Walmart. Signs say they'll tow, so, and apparently they will. Their reviews are terrible on that place. But it's their property, they can do what they want. Another thing with the Walmart is, I was like, what if you're delivering to Walmart? Because I got blank bills. Like, I'm not opposed to writing up a blank bill of lading and showing that address that I'm delivering to that Walmart in the morning and showing it to a truck driver, or a tow truck driver. She said, no, the only way you can park here is if it has a Walmart, if you have a Walmart trailer. Like, oh, that sucks. So whatever. I'm gonna get some sleep and just kind of wait until 4 something in the morning, and yeah, we'll get out of here, go over to back up to Lowe's NFI and try this whole thing again. Plus you have to be assigned an empty trailer to leave. So the dispatcher gave me a list of them, so I'm gonna try and pick the better one, if I may. I don't get to see them, I just have the trailer numbers, and based on the trailer numbers, I'm going to try and pick the newest one, which doesn't mean jack with Landstar. If y'all know anything about drop and hook trailers and a trailer pull with a company, y'all know that it could be a brand new trailer and it can be worse than the one that's 15 years old, because drivers suck. They don't care. They trash stuff, they just beat them up, and they don't, that's frustrating. That's what sucks about trucking. There's a lot of stuff that sucks about trucking, but another story for another day. I'm gonna get some sleep, and I will see y'all in the morning sometime when we head back up there. Oh? I don't know what the Snyder driver's doing. So you don't have to check into the office until after 6:30. They're not there until then, so anytime between whatever time they're not there till the time they get there. You don't have to go in the driver's office. They do everything in the guard check, which makes sense. Like, why not do that anyways, every day? Da-da-da-da! But hey, you know what? There's always somebody in charge that seems to think they'll make things better or easier, and it's generally not the case. But told me to find an empty on the yard, and just I get to pick it. So I'm gonna hunt for an empty while I am headed down here to drop this loaded one. So y'all know that I did a music tour, and music tour, you have lights in the trailer and they're attached generally they're attached to the parking lights. So you have to turn on your parking lights in order to turn on the lights inside the trailer. I don't have an APU, I have a generator. So I picked up a trickle charger, start assist, whatever, whole battery charger system for like 70 bucks from Tractor Supply. And it just, I plug it into the generator and connect it to the batteries. You know, let it trickle charge or charge while I'm using, that ice was crunchy. While I use the parking lights and the lights, whatever, that way my truck will still start. You must be ELD creeping. That's not what I'm trying to do. But because it's so cold, you know, you want to keep them batteries charged, and in these kind of temperatures when it gets below freezing. I hooked it up last night and let it trickle charge, a 2 amp charge, and I got up this morning with like 14.2 volts. It's like perfect. Full batteries, it's great. But what I did different than getting out and connecting it to my batteries under my step is my inverter is right over here. And I just connected the clamps to the bottom of the inverter where the wires are exposed, where they clamp on or bolt onto the inverter. I was a little concerned that it might not work, but the bunk heater that I have back here above me says it has a volt reading on it as well. So not only does the inverter have a volt reading, the dash, this scan gauge has a volt reading, but also the bunk heater does as well. So all right, we're gonna have to turn around because I'm not trying to blindside all this morning. Like, and I don't see any Landstar trailers. Y'all see any? But anywho, there's 698-505. That's empty. I'm just gonna go down here and turn around. Why not, right? There's a 669 somewhere, or supposed to be. And that's really the one I want. At least I think I do. Bam. There she be. Ooh, icy. I felt it kick sideways a little bit. Oh, we gonna make this? No. This thing turns like junk. Do not buy a Classic for its turning radius. Get a Cascadia. So 669-792 is the one I want. I believe it's empty. Doors aren't open though. Just got an inspection done, which is nice. Whatever. We're gonna park it up here, and then we'll bobtail back over here. Find out if it's empty. Should have just got out and looked. Whatever. I don't know why I don't just pick one of these spots, right? I'm being lazy today. There's a double spot right down here. I know there is because I've seen it. All these empty spots are like beautiful. Look at that right here. Yep. This is it. This is the one. Glare off the window. Golly, that'll work. Let's get out of here and unhook this thing. Oh my goodness, that squealing is so loud. And it's the stupid little spinner handle right here. Yo, this thing is really stiff, jeez. There we go. She's unhooked. I'll check a list real quick and make sure. Wrong one. So 669792. All right, that one should be good to go. I was in here last night, he had to go into the guard shack or into the shipping office, but I didn't realize where it was because I was parked in the outside lane again, and the guy's like, yeah, go down the building and you'll see a concrete pathway to the driver's entrance. I'm like, all right. So I walk on the outside of the guard shack down the building like the way we came down the road. And I walked all the way down the building to this end down here and then walked all the way back because I'm like, I don't know where this entrance is, bro. I didn't realize it was like right next to the actual guard shack right there. Definitely empty. Little tug test on it. Yep, we're hooked. Let's go see this old girl. So we have a 12/23 inspection. That's good. It just got done. Good, good, good. 4/19. The inspection dates. That's good. It's a newer trailer. But again, that doesn't mean crap. Sheesh. Let's go before I put the landing gear up. Why? Why do you guys do this? Why do you put placards on these labels? It's got to be 3 inches from any other marking on the trailer, guys. Come on. Let's get with the program. This is freaking ridiculous. It's a huge red flag to the DOT when you got placards just plastered all over everything. I'm surprised they're not all over back here. There's definitely no seal on it. All right, let's see. I want to get dumped on. She's empty. Ooh, it's dicey. All that crap coming down, hitting cars going down the road. Do another inspection once we get it aired up. See, look here, this is ridiculous. All these, oh my gosh. Some people, I swear. All the lights work, that's good. Wow. All right, I'm put the landing gear up, guys. Get back with y'all here in a few. All right, we are unloaded and we're getting out of here. We got 2 hours to our next pickup, 103 miles. So we're gonna make our happy little way down there. One of the tires on the trailer is a little pudgy. It's filling it up. The light is on the nose. It's the nice thing about these auto air systems. Like, they will put air in the tires when they get cold. You know, they're have a small leak, things like that. It's nice. Anywho, thank y'all for riding with me. Thank you for watching how it's done, kind of, sort of. Yeah. Like, sheesh, man. I'm taking a lot of air, but it is what it is. It'll fill up. It's not that bad, simply because my air compressor is still, my air tanks are still full, so yeah. Anywho, I will see you guys on the next one. Thank y'all for hanging out with me. Thank you for coming along on this ride. Make sure you go follow Rasim at OT Rookie. Still haven't figured out where I'm gonna put the sticker, but we'll put it somewhere. Yeah. Let your family know you love them. Continue to seek God and praise Him. Give Him all the glory, because He most certainly deserves it. And we'll see y'all on the next one. Oh yeah, carry a weapon. You are your first responder.